Is it yummy? Mama cook chicken for you.
Oh, chicken lambot, no? Mama cook for you, no? You like it?
How about rice ball?
Eat also rice, okay?
Eat your rice ball. Show us how you make your rice ball. Wow!
Oh,
say
good job.
it loud. So yummy. Mama cook chicken for me. Sana matuto na siya ng may sabaw. Is it yummy? Approve? Thumbs up?
You blow it first, it's hot.
But food is yummy when it's hot. Right? O, yan. Blow mo lang, tapos eat na. Mo, yummy. Ay, nahulog. That's okay.
It's okay.
Iba na lang. O, yan. Wow, yummy daw. Chicken na luto ng mami niya. Oh, perfect. Chicken lambot. So yummy. I'm proud of you, Mama. Love you, Mama. Come on, say thank you, Mama. Ay, grabe. Is it yummy? Malalaki.
No?
It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's a big bite na eh.
Ang galing naman talaga.
Walang sayang. Malinis pa yan. Wala pang 5 seconds.
Okay. Eat.
Ingit mo nga ako. Yummy, tita. This is so yummy.